Yo, what up guys, I'm Sammy.
And I'm Lucas.
And welcome back to Patched.
Welcome back.
Yes, and today we're going to be reviewing the NAOS... Oh, sorry. Oh no, actually, wait. No, as you guys can see, it's pretty damn similar. I actually did that on purpose. You guys will probably roast me anyway. But this is the NAOS M by HK Gaming. This is the S2 by Zowie. And I don't know if you guys can see some of the similarities, but you know,
just minor similarities.
Minor, very minor.
It's kind of
you guys know.
Subtle.
Yeah. So the NAOS M is going for $70. And if you guys do want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. Also, if you guys want to check us out, like gaming with the actual mice, you guys can check us out at twitch.tv/patchtech.
Link in the description for all that.
All one word, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it started off with what comes inside the box for the NAOS M. So we got some rubber grips that go on the mouse 1 and 2, and also some rubber side grips and some extra feet, which is kind of nice.
Yeah, extra feet, but there's one that goes around the sensor that's on the S2 as well that is just blank. There's nothing there. I thought it might be in there, but it wasn't, so I don't know. I don't know what that is.
Interesting.
It also comes with a dust cover, which is pretty nice. You know, no dust gets in the holes and interrupts your, and then gets in there and messes anything up. So, I mean, you can definitely play with this on too. Works well.
Yeah. But anyways, let's get it started off with the shape as always. And like I mentioned, it's the exact same shape as the S2.
Yeah, it's pretty similar.
Just some minor similarities, you know. No, it's an exact, basically replica, I would say, right? It's hard to tell.
It's hard to see it visually, but when you feel both of these, you can tell there's a difference. It's difficult to put your finger on exactly what it is. For me, it's the concave little edges where your thumb and your pinky go to hold the mouse. That feels a little bit more concave on the NAOS, and it's a great mouse, to be honest. And it's, I mean, if you like the S2, you'll like the NAOS. It's just a lighter version of that.
The highest point of the arch is more towards the back of the mouse. And then once it gets to that highest point, it kind of like drops down pretty drastically. It kind of gives you that like fingertip and claw grip style. That's what it's mainly designed for. I mean, for palm grip, it's not bad. You know, it's not super uncomfortable or anything. I actually say it's more comfortable than not. But if you fingertip or claw, this is a great mouse shape. I'm sure there's gonna be people that are mad that they did copy the design of the S2, but I'm actually not as mad as I think I should be, because Zowie doesn't update their mice.
Yeah.
Like never.
Someone's got to take some creative liberties here.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, we're all mouse fans, we're all gamers. We like to see the industry progress, and I call this progression, to be honest. It's like an S2, but with PTFE skates. You've got lightweight, and then you've got paracord.
Oh,
I can't complain.
What is this, guys? Zowie. I love you guys. You guys make great mice, but come on, guys. You know what I'm saying? So the shape, of course, like we keep saying, if you've used the S2, you will love the NAOS M. All right, moving on to the cord. Obviously, they're using a paracord, and it's super nice. Way better than this rubber cord that they use on the S2.
Yeah, that's a no-go on the rubber cord.
Yeah, and I also like that it's white. That's a nice
yeah, it's
little
white,
touch.
goes with the color. I like it. I dig it.
All right, as far as the switches go, they're actually pretty damn nice. It feels very similar to the Model O. Very similar. They're Omron switches rated for 20 million clicks. And not a lot of post-travel and not a lot of pre-travel. I would say it's just the right amount.
Yeah, it feels like a regular click. It doesn't really feel mushy or anything. It's kind of the right amount of actuation force as well. It's weird how the Omrons really feel different than other mice with Omrons in them. It feels like a nice hearty click, you know?
Yes.
Feels nice. So that's a good feature on there. The scroll wheel is one of those different things, though. I feel like it's definitely, obviously it's different than the S2, but the scroll wheel's not too tactile. I think that's a really minor point. We always go over the scroll wheel, but it's, again, very nitpicky.
The side buttons, the shape is literally the exact same, and they're both white, but the actuation force and the post travel is very different. So the actuation force is actually a little bit lighter than the S2. The S2 is it's a little bit harder to click, and there's a lot more pre-travel as compared to the NAOS. So there's a little bit of a difference there as well. And then as for the layout on the bottom of the mouse, it's literally the exact same as well. So on the left side, well, I guess on the S2 you can change the pulling rate, But on the NAOS M, there's a button that allows you to change the RGB, like style, which is really, really cool. And then on the right, there is a DPI button that you can change on the fly, and there is an LED indicator, which is cool.
We like that.
Yes. As far as the skates go, we got 2 large mouse skates on top and on bottom of both of the mice.
Yep, except we're missing the one around the sensor around here. It just didn't come in there.
And and it's pure PTFE on the nails. It's very, very fast, very, very smooth as well. It definitely feels a lot better than the S2.
Yeah, for sure. Moving on to build quality / durability. I mean, it feels good. The finish on here is a matte finish. It doesn't feel necessarily as nice as say a Logitech matte finish. There's very little creaking on this guy, and there's the side wobble. There's a bit of side wobble. I didn't really notice it when I was gaming with it, because I mean, I'm not really like pressing into the mouse that hard. You may notice it if you're like a caveman, ooga booga, you know, kind of pushing into there. But honestly, I didn't really notice it when I was gaming a whole lot. It feels just like a really nice sort of finish. It feels like a good mouse. I don't really mind it at all.
And there's not a lot of like fingerprint marks or oil marks. The S2 with this glossy finish picks up a lot of grease and dirt and all that. I mean, because of the color, you can't really see it as much though, which is nice.
Yeah.
But because of the glossy finish, obviously this will pick up a lot more.
Yeah, under decent lighting, this thing looks like a phone screen.
Yeah.
Like
Okay, as far as the weight goes, the NAOS M is advertised as 59 grams, but we'll see about that. I'm getting like 64 grams, 63 grams on the scale.
Oh my.
Ooh, that's a little off. Like 5 grams is not a huge deal, but that's kind of significant, I would say, right?
Yeah, it's pretty significant. That's getting closer to like Model O, like original Model O, 68, 69 grams, you know?
Yeah, but this is still super light.
Very light.
Of course, they're using the honeycomb like hole pattern throughout this entire mouse. I guess not on the sidewall. It's more just on the top and also on the bottom of the mouse.
Yeah.
But yeah, very, very lightweight. And it feels very fast as well. The S2 is super heavy. How much does this weigh? Like 90? Oh, 84 grams.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too horrible.
Yeah, but still, you can definitely notice the weight difference.
Huge weight difference right out the gate.
Yeah.
As for the sensor that's in the NAOS, we've got a 3360 in there, and it feels good. Feels really responsive. No complaints there, to be honest. And all around, it's just a really good mouse. As far as RGB goes on this guy, you've got some similarities to other mice that are popular in the industry today. But it looks good. I mean, your fingers don't really cover them when you're using the mouse, which is cool. So it's a good place for RGB. I don't blame them for putting it there. And it looks good. Got that LED changer on the bottom, as well as their software as well, where you can edit everything on the mouse. So that's cool to have around as well.
So wrapping things up, the NAOS M, I mean, basically, if you really like the S2, but then, you know, since it's very, very outdated as far as the tech goes in this mouse and you wanted an updated version, the NAOS M is a great option.
So yeah, overall it's a really great mouse. I mean, it's got the arch in all the right places. If you like the S2, of course you're gonna like this guy. It's just lighter, much more up to date. It's just a really good mouse all around. I can't complain for 70 bucks. It's a steal, to be honest.
The color is also really cool. I love this color, this baby
color
blue.
Combo's great and original.
Yes. So yes, it does get the pat seal of approval. How it got the approval is a little sketch, you know. It's like the S2 and the Model O had a baby.
Yeah, we copied each other's homework, just you know, a little bit.
You know. But like I said, I'm not as mad because Zowie just never updates their mice, you know. But anyways, again, if you guys do want to get either of these mice, we'll leave a link in the description box. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.